is a partner at Cody Africa for those insights. Now, moving on swiftly, President William Ruto has said the national government will keep mobilizing resources to support county governments. He said he was committed to ensuring operations in the counties run efficiently. The president spoke on Monday at State House, Nairobi, when he assented to the county government's additional allocations bill, National Assembly Bill number 23 of 2023. The move makes available 29 billion shillings that will facilitate devolved units to discharge their mandate. President Ruto lauded the governors who are continuously expanding their own source revenues to support the delivery of services to the people.
We know there has been an outstanding matter of some counties that did not have appropriate headquarters because they were small and they couldn't raise resources from their shareable revenue to be able to do the county headquarters. The government has now made it possible for us to complete that project because the 450 million that we have now allocated to the 5 counties, that money is sufficient to complete the county headquarters in the 5 counties. Additionally, because we are now moving into the planting season and God has been gracious to us, we have sufficient rain. There will be resources also to support our fertilizer subsidy program that is going to assist our farmers across the country. And I want to ask our farmers, as the fertilizer is made available, let us use the seeds, the fertilizer that has been made available for us to be able to grow food in our country, because it is the only way we can get rid of the shame of hunger in our nation.
Now let's head to